Hi everyone, today we learn JavaScript events. Events as something that happens, such as a button being clicked, a page finished loading, or a user typing into the form field. We can create function in every action we do in the page. So I have been created my HTML content and I use button element. We first get a reference to the button element using query selectors, which I explain query selectors method in DOM tutorial in my channel. Don't forget like and subscribe to be aware new videos. We then define an event handler function called message, which simply display an alert message saying button clicked. Finally, we attach handle click function to the button using the add event listener method. This means that when the button is clicked, the handle click function will be called and alert message will be displayed. I'm running a sample for you that could be easy. We have different types of events such as mouse events like click or double click or just move mouse over an element. Keyboard events like typing into the text box field and Windows events like Windows scroll or resize, and one of important one like when Windows loads or when Windows are loading. We have different types of events such as mouse events like click or double click or just mouse move over an element. Keyboard element like typing into the text box field and Windows element like Windows when scrolls or resize, and one of important one like Windows loads. There is not all of events, but there are useful and important ones who I mentioned. Please practice this tutorial in your free times and be connect with me if you have any question. I'm running a sample for you for more understandable and readable this subject.